Hey guys, it's Bubba, your Mid-South Pond dude. Today we find ourselves in Marion, Arkansas on a little bit of a unique project. We're going to be putting a little Pondless Waterfall in, but not just going to be a Pondless coming down facing back here with some instant effect. He wants another Pondless on the back side to see it from up in the balcony. So in reality, we're going to have 2-for-1 specials. We're going to have one going that way and one back here facing to us. You'll want to stay tuned for this one. This is going to be a good one, boys. Huh? He wants it all over. He wants. They got diesel somewhere. It's playing on dead empty. Nope. I don't know how you switch the control, but well, if you can't operate it and get off of it, but if you can't operate it, get off of it. Did y'all bring a diesel can like I said? Did anybody bring a diesel can like I said? Well, once again, we brought a diesel machine out. That means diesel can gets loaded too. It don't matter if it's full or empty. We always bring a diesel can when you got a diesel machine. That's standard. Homeowner called, said he had another pond guide, built a pond out front, lacked a little creativity. So he gave us a call, want to see what we could do. So here we are. Let's get creative, boys.
Yes, sir.
Riley, looks like you got a grave dug over here. Who you burying?
Oh, nothing.
Oh. Oh, what are you doing? Double R. Rolls Royce. Ponds. Hey guys, this is Bubba, your Mid-South Pond dude. We are out here in Marion, Arkansas, just wrapped up a 3-day project. Come out to check out, see what it's done after we got finished. The homeowner came in, had his yard guy landscape it, put a little gravel around it, but check out this waterfall. This thing is awesome. Remember, as you remember, guys, they got the in-law suite getting built up there. You want something that you can look down, kind of see, envision. Check it out. Got the little stump over here to the side. This nice little feature right here hides the electrical outlet. Once it gets done, it'll all hide the electric outlet when they get the power ran over to it. It hides all the pump cords. Check out that nice little waterfall right there on the back side. Overall, this turned out to be a beautiful little feature. Took about 2.5 days worth to do, and we got it going. If you know someone that's got a pond, or if you're looking to have a pond or a waterfall done, give us a call. www.midsouthponds.com. Until next time, smash that like button, share it with a friend, tell somebody about Mid-South Ponds. We're on the road. Check y'all out later. Give us a call, 901-301-4975, or check out our website, www.midsouthponds.com. Feel free to check out our YouTube page also, Mid-South Pond Guys. I'm Bubba, your Mid-South Pond dude, and we look forward to serving you. Midsouthponds.com. We'll come out and get it taken care of for you. Check us out, www.midsouthponds.com.